We're at Disney today. Hi, Stitch. Say hi, Stitch. Scared? Say hi to Stitch. You wanna say hi? Say hi. It's gonna get their autograph, huh? So Kane's probably gonna be scared. Are you scared? Oh, he's giving you hearts. Okay. See him. Look at Kale, Weston.
Yeah.
You gotta wait your turn, Cooks. I'm surprised that Kane isn't freaking out. And Mia has her school mascot that she has to take on all her adventures and get a picture with. Musty the Mustang.
This is a perfect character for all of them. So I never went on Tower of Terror, but I think I'll probably go on Guardians of the Galaxy. Look at how awesome that looks. Guardians of the Galaxy. Mission Breakout.
Monsters Inc.
That guy? Yeah. And that guy's from Monsters Inc.
It's almost there.
Are you guys excited for Guardians of the Galaxy? Who is gonna come and ride this ride? Mylee.
Show us your best dance.
Social dance moves. Ready,
set,
go.
This is an audition
Nothing.
right now for the Disney parade. Hurry, go.
This is an audition for Disney Junior.
Hurry.
Okay, ready? You got space. You have space down there. Go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Your best dance. Okay, Mia, you do it.
Mia, best dance. Go.
Fine, I'll do it.
Best dance. Mommy's got one.
You have to do it.
Okay, fine.
Daddy's turn.
Okay, you ready?
This is my favorite ride. He's doing the Donald Duck.
Yeah.
The Donald Duck boogie. Dance with him, I want to see a dance off. That little wild tiger. Oh, I have Mylee's earring. She only has one earring in.
No,
ready?
it keeps falling out.
So,
It's a good ride.
We haven't been on it. Well, I haven't.
Oh, that's fun.
Whoa, Peter! Hey, so guess what today is? Kane and Kale's first time that they're big enough to ride a lot of the rides. 32 inches. Cookie. Are you old enough to go on this? Are you tall enough to go on this ride?
Yes.
Cooks. Are you big enough to go on this ride?
Yeah.
You big now?
I'm big. I'm big.
How old are you? 2.
1, 2. There you go.
hi. Oh, hi. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, hello. Hey, okay. Ready? Where's Daddy?
It's Cookie's first big ride. There's Weston and Kane.
So Erica's sister Rachel sent money to have the kids play these games. It's like carnival games. So I ended up getting a Goofy card and loaded money onto it, and then they're gonna play some games and hopefully they'll win.
All right, here we go.
Now we're at Goofy's fishing. So the point is to get a fish. Oh, 2 fish. Mia got 2. Does that count? Mia ended up catching 2 fish at once, and he hooked her up and got her a large one. Look at this. Let me see that, Mia. Wow, honey. You got lucky, huh? And Kai got a purple dolphin, or a pink dolphin.
You got that from on the maid?
Kai! Kai, you won too? Kai got a Goofy also? Yeah?
Alright, so me and the kids are waiting for, Weston and my mom are going on soaring, oh wait, no, screaming. And, hold on, it's gonna be super loud. Plug your ears. That was not them, but they went on single rider, and I get a headache from this ride every time, even though I love it. So me and the kids, get down please, are waiting for Weston and my mom. So, see if we can find them. Oh, alright, here's Weston. And Grammy! Kai, get down. Kai and Mia, get down. Kai and Mia, get down. Holy smokes. See them waving down there?
Alright, so we are on the Golden Zephyr, and I have Cookie next to me. Got Kane that has been crazy. He just woke up and he was like hitting me, so she had to switch with me. And I got the girls in the front. Hi girls!
Hi.
And what's funny is that the stroller is up on this flight deck.
Video of Kane.
Oh, Kane's. Hi, Kane's. Hi, Kane. Kale, you ready? Kale. Oh, you okay? I got you. We're gonna take off. Is that fun?
So Kai knew what store he wanted to go to and exactly what he wanted from like months ago. See it? You excited about that?
Yeah.
What do you say to Daddy? Woo! That is awesome, dude. So happy. Sometimes you just have to say yes to them, no matter what. Sometimes. Well, he like knew exactly where we were in the park. He knew what store it was. He knew what plane it was. He remembered it from last time. So you just gotta let him do it sometimes, right?
She told me to.
Well, sometimes you just have to.
Guess where we are?
Our guests, be our guests, put our service to the test.
So we are now at Disneyland.
Yeah!
Erica made us go over here.
No, my mom wanted to go to Disneyland too.
I'm so tired. So tired. We just bought like a bunch of stuff over at California Adventure, and now we are at Disneyland. Just for a little bit because I'm tired and I think these kids are gonna get down soon. And they're probably hungry. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
You are?
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Let me see that airplane that you got. He already broke it. A little piece of plastic broke off. Oh well.
Not strong.
Yeah. Oh, crash and burn.
It's okay.
Hi, Canes. Look at that big old pineapple spear. Is that good? Is that good? Yum. Cookie got one too. Yummy, yum. And I got a Dole Whip. It's a Dole Whip float. It has pineapple juice and the Dole Whip ice cream on top. And it is delicious. Yum. They offered us to buy the spear of pineapple for a discounted rate, so we bought 2. And we are so stoked. They are so excited. And now the girls are getting a sucker or lollipop over there, because that is their treat for the night. You want to show everyone? Yeah. You see that? That's a big piece of pineapple. Wow.
Mickey Mouse. Chocolate chicken! Chocolate chicken! Chocolate chicken! Chocolate chicken!
Good morning! We're starting off the morning at CVS because I had Michael sleep the night with Grammy and woke up with a hearing. So, luckily we had a prescription already filled, just in case, because Mylee has an ear infection and then me and Iris hears a little bit of fluid, but wasn't quite an ear infection. But now I think that's what it is. I don't think I've ever kind of no. So we're at CVS. We got